Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Raising Resilient Rookies. Is your child glued to the screen while having his or her meals? I have parents coming to me and telling me that, "Ma'am, bari ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ." It may sound harmless. It can actually look very helpful. But let me tell you why we should not give screen in the form of iPad, phones, or even TV for a child during the meal times. Reason number 1: disrupted hunger cues. When the child is watching screen and eating mindlessly, what happens is they are not paying complete attention to whether they are feeling hungry or whether they are feeling full, which means their brain is not processing the hunger cues, which only will lead to a child being obese and overweight or the child often having undernutrition. Reason number 2: poor digestion. When the child is given screen during mealtime, what happens is they are ending up eating large boluses of food, gulping them down and swallowing big bites without actually chewing. Chewing is the fundamental first process of digestion, which is being interrupted by the screen. Reason number 3: children end up being picky eaters. So how many of you have actually faced this problem where you have realized your child does not eat a certain kind of food or is very picky about the textures of food? What if I told you this is because of exposing them to screens during mealtime? When they are glued to their screens, they do not know what they're actually putting into their mouth, which eventually will only make them picky eaters because they're not familiar with the different smell, different taste, or different texture because their mind is actually distracted. So eventually, screen time during childhood results in the behavior to be continued during adolescence and adulthood, eventually leading to poor nutrition, obesity, and even poor attention. Do you want to know how to prevent your child from watching screen during mealtime? Stay tuned for part 2. If you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up, write your comments in the comment section, and feel free to subscribe. I'll keep making more informative content for you. Until the next time, keep loving your little ones.